Hi everyone! If you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to delete all of the chats on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all the chat in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the time like button at the top right corner, just right here. And now here you can find the history of all of your chats. Now to delete it, simply tap onto the delete option at the side, just right here. Now tap on it. Now do the same to all of the chats, just like this. And now you can see the chat has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete all of the chats in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.